Hey guys, Shell here. On vacation, last week I bought the Tantrum 250. Unfortunately, I've had dead wind conditions all week. Today's the first day I've even had a semblance of a chance to get it up. Got about 6 to 9 mile an hour winds. I can hear it in my ear a little bit. All right, let's break this bad boy out, see what I can do with it. All right, here's your vented side. That'll be my top. Little butterflies in my tummy. You guys kind of pump it up. I don't have a buddy to help me with a buddy launch. I'm gonna kind of curl that top like that and wait for a good wind. All right, here's my first try. Coming up. Oh yeah, that thing went right up into no wind. Oh, crazy winds out here. Thought I might get some of that. That's all right. All right, tip number 2. Oh yeah, much stronger wind at the moment. I'm gonna walk backwards to keep the air in the sail. Oh! Jerk it through those turns. Yet not quite enough consistent wind to give me any power and keep it up at the moment. But I'm out here early. Oh! Well, I don't think I'm gonna have any more consistent wind, it looks like, so maybe time to put it up for the day and hope for a strong wind on another day. Hey guys, day 2 with the Tantrum 250. Considerably better conditions today. I got a nice breeze coming from this way. 6.7, 10.5 gusts. I think it's gusted a little bit more than that a couple times for me because it's definitely giving me some lean back in it today that I didn't experience in the light winds. So let's get this thing airborne. I love this little corner of this field when the wind's blowing like this. They've got it cut into this killer curve and I can just sweep right at the edge of those trees. You know what? I should try it with wrist straps. I got those over in the vehicle. All right. I might have blisters on my hands, probably. What? Yeah? A motorcycle? What can I say? I love it. This thing is freaking awesome. I think the wind probably gusted up to 15, but I intuited like the wind pretty good. And when I needed to lean back, I love it a lot. I'll be flying it all the time. Pretty big kite. It's the biggest one they got. That's the 2-string without going with the 3-string, like a break-in, and then you get to all kind of advanced wings for water relaunching. I like to kayak, and so I'm definitely gonna get really good with this and think about getting the water relaunchable one in the future. Thanks for watching, guys.